Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with two essentials: the footage you want revealed and a matte that defines the visible area. First, import both files and assemble them on the timeline, main on V1, matte on V2. Once done, check the matte's content type. If it's black/white, use luminance. If it has an alpha channel, use alpha. Make sure the matte aligns frame for frame with your clip. Now that layers match, you're ready to add an effect and turn that second track into a key. Drag the track matte key effect onto your V1 clip. This tells Premiere to read V2 as the mask. Next, in Effect Controls, pick the matte's track number, Video 2, Video 3, etc. So Premiere knows which layer to sample. Then choose Matte Luma for black/white mattes or Matte Alpha for alpha channels. Toggle Invert if the visible area is reversed. Make sure Composite using is normal. Once set, your footage will reveal only where the matte allows. Now refine. Use Transform or Gaussian blur on the matte layer to feather edges, animate scale for reveal motion, or keyframe position for movement. Make sure to render the section for smooth playback and export a short test to confirm color and alpha handling. If the mask looks off, first verify track order. Matte must be above the footage. Then recheck matte type and the invert option. Also confirm the matte file actually contains the channel you expect. Adjust and re-render until it reads correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.